In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the fillet command in AutoCAD to create smooth corners and rounded edges in both 2D and 3D drawings. The fillet command is one of the most useful drafting tools because it allows you to quickly connect objects with a specified radius. To get started in 2D, draw two lines or any shape with intersecting corners. Type F into the command line and press Enter to launch the fillet command. Next, type R for radius and enter the desired radius value. Once the radius is set, select the first object and then the second object. AutoCAD will automatically create a smooth, rounded corner between them. If you need to apply the same radius to multiple corners, use the M option for multiple, allowing you to continue selecting corners without restarting the command. You can also use fillet on polylines and rectangles to round several corners quickly. For 3D models, switch to the 3D modeling workspace and create a solid object such as an extruded rectangle. Then go to the Solid tab and select Fillet Edge. Enter the desired radius, choose one or more edges, and press Enter to apply the rounded edge. This is a great way to create cleaner, more realistic models and improve the appearance of your designs. Thanks for watching and happy drafting with AutoCAD.